Kia ora and welcome to Understanding Documents. In this module, we are going to be thinking about identity, culture, and organisation, how groups make decisions that impact on communities, and how people define and seek human rights. Okay, what is a document? Well, it is any form that is used to communicate facts, information, decisions, or comments. For example, the Treaty of Waitangi, Te Tiritiri o Waitangi, is a document. So is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and so is a rental agreement. Those are three examples of documents. There are many more. Now, the most translated document in the world is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And so that's what we're going to look at first as our clear example of what a document is. Now, I'd like you to read the information that follows and complete the quiz. But for the purpose of this video, we will go through the information also, and then you can jump into the quiz. So, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. If we look down the bottom in the blue rectangle there, it is an international document that outlines the rights and freedoms of all human beings. So it's a document that we can refer to about our rights and freedoms. Breaking the Universal Declaration of Human Rights down, the word universal means belonging and applying to everyone in the world without exception. The declaration means the document of things that countries agree upon but which are not legally binding. Human is about the person and about people, and lastly, rights are freedoms to which people are entitled. Now, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was agreed upon by member countries of the United Nations, including New Zealand, in 1948 in Paris in France. And the United Nations is an organisation between countries to work to resolve conflict. It consists of a preamble, which is an introduction that says why the declaration was created and what it aims to do, and then has 30 articles, which are sections. Each article explains a right. For example, Article 3 says all humans have the right to life, liberty, and security. All right. On your PowerPoint there, click on the forms and have a crack at the quiz. Good luck.